Hello friends, it's KRISTIE Marcotte. There are lots of great Black Friday deals going on right now. Wanted to share a quick video going over the amazing deals at Glassboard Studio. Starting November 21st and going through December 1st, 2025, you can save 20% site-wide at Glassboard Studio with my code KRISTIE. I also have links in the description box for the products I'm showing in this video. Over the last couple months, I've been using Glassboard Studio's magnetic glass mat, some of their super strong magnets, and other accessories, and I absolutely love them. If you've missed some of my videos showing the products, I'll go over them quickly in this video. I'm starting with the Hexaflex Organizer Set. This is available in 12 different colors. Of course, I have pink. As you can see, I selected pink for everything. This is a fun organizer set to keep on your craft table. You can customize it how you want it. You could have it all in a row. You could clump the little hexagons together. You can even combine more than one set, more colors, or you can choose one color. For each little compartment, you line it up with the notches. The set also includes a few adjustable dividers. I'm using them for some of my pens and blending brushes. And the divider fits inside any of the hexagon pieces. And I think this organizer is great for non-paper crafting as well. I could see using it for office or school supplies. I like to keep my organizer all in a straight row, and I push it off the side away from my craft mat, but it's still within reach so I can grab the tools that I need. Next, I want to talk about the magnetic glass mat. There are 5 different sizes available, and there's also a scrapbook craft mat. Here's a look at the smallest size. It's 9 by 12 inches. Perfect for those smaller projects or to travel if you take your crafting with you. I also have the medium size. This is 18 by 24 inches, and both of my mats are the blush pink color. They offer several different super strong magnets. This first one is the MegaMag Ruler. The round magnets are the pawns, and then the small square are the MiniPawns. And as I mentioned earlier, these do come in different colors. Next is a fun accessory called a CraftCatcher, and it does come as a set of 3. I'll scoot my craft mat aside so I can show you how to use these. They have a little lip on one side, and it slides right underneath the edge of your craft mat. They're the perfect tray to help keep your area nice and tidy. If you're doing sorting with bling, sequins, shaker beads, you can simply wipe them off to the side and they'll be caught inside the CraftCatcher. Next up is the MagInk Tray, and this does come as a set of 2. This is probably my most used accessory from Glassboard Studio other than the Hexaflex organizer. It has a strong magnet on the back side, and it'll hold your ink pad in place when you're stenciling or ink blending. The quality of the magnetic glass mats is amazing. It's 1/4 inch thick tempered glass with polished edges and rounded corners. You don't have to worry about cutting your hand on the glass. It's very smooth, super easy to clean. It's also scratch and heat resistant. So now let me tell you about some of the Black Friday sales. From November 21st through November 23rd, 2025, if you purchase at least $150 worth of product, you'll receive a free set of 2 MagInk trays. And these are the trays with the magnet on the bottom that hold your ink pad in place. I love these trays, very useful since I do a lot of stenciling and ink blending. The next Black Friday deal starts on November 24th and it goes through November 27th, 2025. Spend at least $150 worth of product and you'll receive a free set of 3 random pawn magnets. So those are the round magnets. I love the small size of the pawn magnet. They're super easy to move around and they remind me of chess pieces. They're very strong and can hold quite a few sheets of paper. The final Black Friday deal starts on November 28th and it goes through December 1st. Spend at least $150 and you'll receive a free set of 3 CraftCatchers. Even with the smallest size mat, the 9x12 mat, all 3 sizes of the CraftCatcher will work. So now you know the Black Friday deals at Glassboard Studio. If there's a certain set you're interested in, pay attention to the specific days so you can receive your fun free goodie. And don't forget to use my code KRISTIE to save 20% site-wide. If you want to check out Glassboard Studio, I do have a link in the description box below. And don't miss out on the amazing Black Friday deals. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.